How to get pocket option promo code fast. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can get the pocket option promo code faster. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to get the pocket promo code faster, you need to simply open up your Google and search for pocket option promo code, or you may just open up a browser and search for pocket option promo code. I'm just gonna simply type in that and go hit the search. After that, on the very first link you can see withthrift.com, which is one of the convenient way on how you can get promo codes. Simply tap on that, and here you can see you will get a bunch of codes. So you just need to simply copy code and get back to the app and use that code in order to get different kind of offers on your app. So the next thing is we also have other links here. You may just choose any of the link like this one. You may just use this promo code as well. Just tap on the link. After that, you simply copy the link and get back to the pocket option and use that link in order to get different offers on pocket option. So therefore, by following the steps, you can get promo codes on pocket option very fast. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.